Next, we will briefly review the stages that embryologists evaluate to select the embryo that is most likely to implant and therefore to result in a pregnancy. Day 1. This is the day after the follicular puncture, and it is when it is assessed 16 to 18 hours after fertilization whether it has occurred correctly. At this stage, the embryos are called zygotes. Day 2. The embryos have already undergone the first divisions and have 2 to 4 cells, also known as blastomeres. Day 3. At this point, the embryos have about 6 to 8 blastomeres. The embryo is beginning to express its own genes, so its needs are gradually changing. Day 4. The embryo is in the morula stage and is compacting. Days 5 and 6. During these days, the embryo reaches the blastocyst stage. Embryos that reach this stage with good morphological characteristics have a high likelihood of implanting. However, not all embryos reach day 5 or 6 of development. There are several reasons why embryos may stop at any point in their development, but the most common reason is that embryonic development is halted due to some genetic anomaly within it.